Alright, so today we'll be looking at finding the surface area of prisms. The surface area is the sum of all the areas of all the surfaces of a figure. The lateral faces of a prism are the parallelograms that connect the bases. So for example, basically surface area is like if I had to construct a Kleenex box, how much material would it take me to construct the box? So here, on this particular prism that I drew, the red would be examples of the bases, and then the black here would show kind of where the lateral faces are. Now, these formulas can be a little confusing, but I encourage you to get them down, and I would not even worry about this one. So here, it's 2 times the area of the base plus the perimeter of the base times the height of the prism. So it's 2 times the area of the base times the perimeter, or plus the perimeter, times the height of the prism. And that actually works for any of our surface area. So in this particular example here, if you're looking at it, our base is 2 by 3, but because it's on this side, it's also on this side, so we have 2 bases. So 3 times 2 is 6, times 2 is 12. And then here, you have to do the perimeter, so 2 plus 3 is 5, so then over here 2 plus 3 would be another 5, so that's where this 10 comes from, times the height of the prism, which is 5. So now we have 12 plus 50, which is where they get the 62. So let's find the area of this triangular prism. Because it's a triangle, we're going to do 1/2 times the base of the triangle, which is 8, times the height of the triangle, which is 3. So 1/2 of 8 is 4, times 3 is 12, but there's 2 bases, because we also have this triangle. So we're going to multiply that by 2, and we get 24 for 2 times the area of the base. Now we're going to add the perimeter, so the distance around the triangle. So here we have 5. This 5 refers to right here, and we also have 8, so 5 plus 5 plus 8. So 18 times the height of the prism, which is 10. 8 times 10 is 180, so now we have 24 plus 180. So when we add those together, we get a total of 204 feet, and because we're talking area, squared. So why don't you pause the video and try this one on your own. So once again, we have 1/2 times our base, which is 7, times its height. We multiply this by 2. Now some of you may have noticed that when you do 2 times 1/2, that these actually cancel each other out. So 7 times 6 is just going to give us 42 for the 2 times the base. And this only works on a triangular prism. Plus the perimeter of our triangle. So we have 7, 7, and 7, which gives us 21, times the height of our prism, which is 10. So it becomes 42 plus 210, which gives us 252 centimeters squared.